Everyone, welcome back to the new video of English speaking classes. I really understand why English is very important because when I started learning English, it was very difficult for me because I feel that if I am not able to learn English speaking, so how will I survive? How will I get the job? So that is why I learned English speaking. But my journey of learning English speaking was really tough. I read a lot, I listen a lot, I speak a lot. My mentor was very good, who trained me and who told me that he usually tell me to stand in front of people and try to speak so that you can fight with your fear and never look into the eyes of anyone. Just look into the eyes of the last person who is sitting in the last side. Make an eye contact with them or not, it is all depends upon you. But try to speak. So the meaning of my mentor was, I today understand, was you have to break your comfort zone. Stand and speak. Because until and unless you won't speak, you will never be grow. You have to break your comfort zone. You have to take a first step. And I would like to tell the thanks to my mentor who really teach me English speaking. So I would like to tell you today's I have modernized that subject, that how you can improve. So first of all is the first basic thing to speak in English is vocabulary. So let's start today's video with some interesting, amazing English vocabulary words. The first word for the day is recalcitrant. Recalcitrant. Stubbornly defiant of authority or control. The recalcitrant cancer continued to spread through the patient's body. Recant. Publicly take back and deny. The chagrined scientist recanted his theory that mice originated. Reciprocal, mutual shared. The Rochester Club had a reciprocal arrangement with the Duluth Club. Reclusive, hermit like, withdrawn from society. The crazy millionaire led a reclusive existence, shutting himself up in his labyrinthine mansion. Recondite, hard to understand. The philosopher's thesis was so recondite that I could not get past the first two sentences. Recrimination, bitter counter accusation. The word is often used in the plural. I know that you can understand what is singular and plural. Singular for the main, the first one, plural for so many people. Redolent, fragrant. The air in the autumn is redolent of wood, smoke, and fallen leaves. Redundant, unnecessarily repetitive. Bill had already bought paper plates. Refute, proved to be false. His expensive suit and imported shoes clearly refuted his claim that he was poor. So friends, we have done today's important session of vocabulary. Now you need to do something. Write down these words with meaning and try to make a sentence. I have made a sentence for you and you will make a sentence for yourself because you are growing yourself, not me, not others. You are watching this video for yourself only. If you really want to grow and if you are sincere and serious about your learning and your career, because English can open a global opportunity for your career. Next thing, start listening English media. Listen BBC, CNN, France 24. There are so many English news channels. NDTV 24/7. There are so many news channels. I don't know the name of so many, but there are several. So when you will saw someone while speaking English, so you will also grow, because your mind will start thinking, if they can speak in English, so I can also speak in English. Next thing is reading. I always told, read English newspaper, read book, magazine, whatever you like, but you need to read every day, because reading will improve your confidence and fluency as well. Because when you will read, you will find the difficult word also which is hard to pronounce, but if you will speak again and again, so your pronunciation will become better. And pronunciation really matters a lot. Finally, speak up. Try to speak with your friends, neighbor, those who can understand English. Try to speak English, which will improve your speaking exercise. If you are done with these things, so the opportunities are waiting for you. Even you want to go for overseas studies, or you want to get in job in corporate sector. So it is your life, it is your career. How you want to live your life depends upon your action and your learning. So I hope you will like the video of today. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.